Hello everybody, and I figured I'd show you this before I went too far on this. It's something that's fairly easy, is the reason I'm going ahead and doing it. This is a 69 Super Sport Chevelle hood that was on a car that got hit by a semi-truck back in the 70s. Like most things out here, they've been wrecked 40 years, you know. But I didn't have anything but a flat hood for my 67, and I wanted to make a SS hood out of stuff that I had, so it'd be a little bit different. And really, I've not seen anybody do this. I've not seen anybody take a 69 hood and put it on a 67. I think that's a pretty design. I have a set of grills for it. Pretty much I have these grills. They were taken out a long time ago. So I'm going to put the center of this hood on mine. Here in a few minutes, after I get this cut out all the way, I'll show you what I'm going to do for the 67. And yeah, you know, there's going to be some welding, some beatings, and bondoing and stuff, but it's not costing nothing but time. So I hope you enjoy this. Please hit that subscribe and like button. Yeah.
Almost fucking up a hood.
I figured we'd just bondo in the middle of this and just leave the screws in it. What do you think?
I don't know.
We skipped forward in time a little bit. That's the beauty of YouTube. You can just kind of time travel. Front's tacked. Most of that side's tacked. Most of this side's about to be tacked. And then we're going medieval.
It'll be fine.
Loud in here, ain't it?
It'll be fine.
Well, you know, front end ain't on the car, so the fenders can do whatever they want. But we stuck her back on.
I think it looks good.
It's a Malice Sport hood.
It's a 66, 67, 69 Malice Sport.
Because I'm taking this 66 Malibu hood and cutting the inner structure out to put it back in this.
I think we done a pretty damn good job, because inside, if it was just welded on up, it looked like it was stamped that way. For two bumbling idiots in a garage.
I mean, it actually fits.
Yeah, everything's smooth. There ain't no, you know, that's smooth. There ain't no lipping that you're catching. The whole hood's that way. It's all smooth. It's good butt joining.
And it's a completely totaled 69 SS hood with a kink right on the side of one of the scoops.
Back in that corner. Which was folded pretty much 90 degrees to the hood.
You know, an old man told me once, you can't see both the sides at the same time. The issue with that saying is on a hood you can't see both sides at the same time. But I'm happy with that. Now it's going to get rained on and wash off some of the
dust.
Fresh metal, you know. You got to have patina back on it. We don't want to confuse the center of the hood too much at one time.
Yep.
One thing I will add to this. Oh no, he's talking again.
That you don't like talking, mute it.
Exactly. The center of that hood was off of the 69 up there, and the 69 belonged to the guy's brother that wrecked the red 70. So there's that. That might interest like 0.1% of you. But
all these parts had family or friend connections back in the day. Everybody knew everybody. And everybody hung around everybody. So this car is literally a combination of years of hooning back in the day.
And it's going to be an SS 4.3 car anyway, so I mean, You don't have to have a correct hood. I just didn't want a flat hood, because it's not a Malibu. It's a Super Sport. The original hood's long gone. It met a fate at a later date. But anyways, it's starting to rain now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Until next time.
Bye.